My name is Kush Varshney, and I'm a research scientist at IBM Research, working from our Thomas J. Watson Research Center in Yorktown Heights, New York, USA. When the Berlin Wall fell on November 9, 1989, I was a second-grade student at Mott Road Elementary School in Fayetteville, New York, USA. My team's research and development work breaks the wall of detecting, understanding, and mitigating unwanted bias in machine learning and artificial intelligence. These days, we're increasingly seeing machine learning models power consequential decision-making tasks in applications such as hiring, lending, healthcare, and even criminal justice. Because machine learning models are trained on data from the society from the past, any traces of injustice in society get reflected and recreated by machine learning models. To counteract this effect, our team has created AI Fairness 360, an open source Python and R toolkit that allows practicing data scientists to mitigate those unwanted biases in their actual workflows as they create these models. The challenge of bias mitigation is that even if we drop so-called protected attributes like race or gender from the data set that is used to train a machine learning model, there's many other features that are correlated with the protected attributes, which recreate the information contained in those attributes. And because of that, we still see the unwanted bias. So what we try to do instead is use advanced statistical methods to induce statistical independence between the protected attributes like race and gender and the predicted outcome, the recommendation by the system to hire or to offer a loan or to arrest someone. There are many unanswered questions in operationalizing AI fairness, and the main reason is because the tools are a small piece of the puzzle. We really need governance processes that are more encompassing and that center the voices of the most vulnerable members of society. Nevertheless, I'm hopeful that we can keep making progress and work towards a more just world.